Hey, this is an instructional video on how to repair a broken knife tip, and also following that we'll do, as part of the video, we'll do a stropping demo on how to properly strop the knife. So as you can see, this knife tip is broken. We actually had to grind it down, we couldn't break it off. So if you have a bent knife tip or a broken knife tip, this is a good way to repair that. So what I'm using is just a piece of 220 grit sandpaper glued to a plywood board, so anyone can make that. Or if you have a belt grinder, that would be an easier way to do it. But this is a simple way with no special tools required. So I'm just going to grind the back edge of the knife down to the point. Almost there. So now you can see we've ground the back edge down to we get a tip again, and now we'll just strop that out. So what we want to do is, in this case I'm using a green compound, chromium oxide, and what I want to do is to lay the knife flat on the strop. This is just a piece of leather with chromium oxide, and I'm holding it flat and stropping away from the edge. I don't want to roll the knife because that'll round the edge. I want to hold it flat, raise it up, keep it flat, and do that on both sides. I'm not rolling my wrist. Putting medium pressure on this. Just about like that. Should be good. So I'll just take a piece of basswood and check it. As you can see now, it's razor sharp and the tip is good. So that's it. I hope this helps for all you folks, especially overseas, that have high postal rates. This will save you some time and money, and hopefully that solves your problem of broken knife tip. Thanks for watching.